Hello. Are you aware that the online game industry is booming rapidly with bright prospects? Would you believe if I say the market size measured by revenue of the game industry stands at a huge $249.5 billion globally in 2024? Believe it or not, the global online game industry market is expected to grow by 8.74% in 2025. As a market that's valued at well over $1 billion, the power that the online game industry holds is clear. According to Statista, as of 2023, it is estimated that the United States ranks first among the biggest gaming markets worldwide with a revenue of 54.9 billion US dollars and with 212 million gamers. This is the best time to grab your own share from the online game industry. So imagine if in the next few seconds, you can use new ChatGPT 4-powered software to create 100% done for you and ready to profit online game sites with the power of AI in just 60 seconds. Allow me to introduce you to Krida AI, a new ChatGPT 4-powered software that creates 100% done for you and ready Toro online game sites with the power of AI in just 60 seconds. For the first time ever in the gaming industry, you can leverage our groundbreaking state-of-the-AI technology to create an online game site with 1 million top online games in various niches that will pull in daily commissions for you. You can now skyrocket your commissions in just one click, the done for you. AI-powered online game sites are automatically embedded with your affiliate link, so you get paid instantly like never before. With mesmerizing AI technology that would have cost you a fortune to build elsewhere, and the best part, you don't need to know anything about online gaming, it's all automated, making it as easy as ABC to start earning money online. You can now instantly become the owner of a unique gaming site that naturally attracts visitors from search engines, pulling out affiliate commissions. Click after click with our fully automated system. Anyone, yes, even complete newbies can stumble their way into owning a commission-generating website. With this, you will have done for you online game sites that you can use to generate easy passive daily income or sell game site development services to businesses or clients for extra income. Honestly, it can't get any easier than this. Krida AI is the most complete AI-powered done-for-you online game site builder you will ever need. It comes loaded with over 1 million top online games in various niches, plus inbuilt AI-powered gamers, blog builder, content, and graphics generator. What's even better? You will also get access to astonishing gaming content and graphics generators that leverage the power of Check to create automated gaming content and graphics for your AI-powered online game site. With this, you can create content graphics or online game site development services for businesses to bank 5 to 7 figures monthly as an agency business. You can check this all out below the video. Trust me, you will be blown away when you see the endless possibilities of what you can do with Krida AI. You can easily build a successful 5 to 7 figures per month business with this extraordinary opportunity. Starting today, there are unlimited businesses and clients online that are craving for these high-end demand done-for-you online game sites, and Krida AI solves all of that in just one click. All the other apps are priced monthly, limited on features, and have lots of restrictions on top of all that. As part of the launch special, you will also get unlimited commercial license so that you can sell online game sites agency services to your clients for whatever price you want. Plus 5 more additional complimentary fast action bonuses. To speed up your results even further, you won't need to pay ridiculous monthly fees for software or platforms that charge more for less. However, the opportunity to get Krida AI is very limited and time-sensitive for this grand launch. Opening. Today you can get in for just a small one-time payment. Krida AI is currently being sold at a heavily discounted one-time price, but that's soon going to change. When the timer hits 0, the price will increase significantly. The low one-time price will most likely change to a higher monthly recurring subscription fee, and the special bonuses given on top will be gone less than the cost of a meal at a restaurant. You can get permanent access to this amazing online game website builder tool that is loaded with over 1 million top online games that will skyrocket your leads, commissions, and sales like never before. These are easy to get started gaming sites. Get free traffic from Google. Bing, and other search engines because they grow with fresh gaming blog content every day. Go ahead and click on the Buy Now button below to get instant access to lock in your exclusive one-time payment before the price shoots up.